Well, the one really important thing is also what they're doing well is how to iterate that quickly, which means like it's not just about one-time deployment of one building. It's constantly iterating the network and trying to automate as many steps as possible, right?
Yeah.
And that's actually the principles of the software 2.0, like you mentioned with Andrej, is it's not just, I mean, I don't know what his description of software 2.0 is, if it's just high level philosophical or there's specifics, but the interesting thing about what that actually looks in the real world is it's that what I think Andrej calls the data engine. It's like it's the iterative improvement of the thing.
Yeah.
You have a neural network that does stuff, fails at a bunch of things, and learns from it over and over and over. So you're constantly discovering edge cases. So it's very much about like data engineering, like figuring out. It's kind of what you were talking about with Tenstorrent. Is you have the data landscape. You have to walk along that data landscape in a way that that's constantly improving the neural network, and that feels like that's the central piece that they're trying to solve.
And there's two pieces of it. Like you find edge cases that don't work, and then you define something that goes get you data for that. But then the other constraint is whether you have to label it or not. Like the amazing thing about like the GPT-3 stuff is it's unsupervised.
Yep.
So there's essentially infinite amount of data. Now there's obviously infinite amount of data available from cars of people successfully driving. But you know the current pipelines are mostly running on labeled data, which is human limited. So when that becomes unsupervised, right, it'll create unlimited amount of data, which then they'll scale. Now the networks that may use that data might be way too big for cars, but then there'll be the transformation from now we have unlimited data. I know exactly what I want. Now can I turn that into something that fits in the car? And that process is going to happen all over the place. Every time you get to the place where you have unlimited data, and that's what software 2.0 is about, unlimited data training networks to do stuff without humans writing code to do it.